Can you put some light on?
You can play me song though.
All right, that should. Can't you see, honey, you are for me. Oh, dancing in the moonlight.
Ganda talaga ng boses niya ito ni Idol. Isa ako sa mga pala neto ni Idol Chong Madaliday. Sa mga hindi nga pala nakakilala sa kanya, guys, no? Ang bata niyan si Chong Madaliday. Isang local artist din yan dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas. Sumali din siya sa mga talent contest dyan sa singing contest dyan sa Pilipinas. Ewan ko nga ba kung bakit hindi sumikat masyado tong si Idol na to. Samantalang napakaganda ng boses. Medyo mahaba na nasasabi ko. Tuloy muna natin, guys.
Can you play another one, please? I want to hear you again.
All right.
Play. Listen.
Maganda rin itong na-champion niya dito sa Comet TV.
Alright, what is that? I'm gonna talk about the lyrics.
Yung side
I
niya.
can't remember another love.
Maganda to si ate.
Won't take long.
Kaso walang walang ilaw yung bahay. Pero mahalata mong maganda
You
siya.
hear me?
Yep.
Alright. I wanna take you somewhere so you know I care.
Oh,
But it's so cold and I don't know
swerte
where I wrote you.
Kunin mo na yung pangalan, Idol. Mahina rin to si Idol eh. Mamaya, mawala pa yan. Maganda si ate. Kaso hindi niya kinukuha yung pangalan muna. Kunin mo muna yung pangalan, Idol. Pambira.
Daffodils in a pretty string, but they won't fall like they did last spring. On another love, all my tears of a new start. On another love, all my tears.
Nga pala sa sa mga gusto mag-follow sa kanya, search nyo na lang yung Madaliday sa YouTube channel.
That's really good. You're so
Galing.
good.
Magaling to si Idol.
I just tried.
No, I'm being genuine.
Galing ng
with you.
boses
You're
niya.
really good.
Ganda ng boses.
Thank you.
Like, especially your voice.
Kunin mo na yung
Your
pangalan,
voice.
Idol. Pambihira ka naman.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. What's your name?
Mali mo, single
My
pa yan
name's
si ate.
Sage.
Sage.
Ayun, Sage.
Beautiful name. Alright.
What was your name?
Siguro ano na lang yun. Baka TikTok o
No, but
Instagram
you
na
are
pangalan
really
ni
good.
Sage.
Wait, I thought that you skipped me for a sec.
Parang hindi niya yata tunay na pangalan yun, Sage. Gara naman ang pangalan niya, Sage. Pang lalaki. Baka ano yan, mga TikTok or Instagram na na pangalan niya. Medyo mysterious to si ate Hindi binigay yung pangalan.
Because you freeze.
Did I?
Yeah, you freeze.
Ay, kunin mo na yung pala, Idol. Yung Instagram yan kung meron. O kaya TikTok. Hindi. Para ma-follow mo. Di ba?
Oh, were you scared? It's okay. You were scared.
Ang dilim naman kasi ng
You were
bahay mo, ate.
scared.
Ayaw mong
No. Because
Ayaw mong
if
buksan yung
if you
ilaw.
did not skip that, I feel bad for myself because I don't want you to think that I skipped you. So it's only TV fault. No, it's not hard.
That's okay.
Yeah, but I'll
That's
take
okay.
that. I'll take that now.
Mukhang nag-i-enjoy naman si ate sa... Mukhang magandang neto. Mukhang may magandang sa dalawang to
Okay, no worries. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
Bata pa yan si Idol. Mga 20
Bro, I'm
plus.
too old. I'm telling you.
21.
I'm like out of the calendar. 31.
Oh.
Hindi
31.
yan 30. Tama yun, 21. Alam ko nasa 20s lang yan.
Yep, 31.
Hindi,
Turning
31. Bata
32
pa yan.
next month.
Hold up. You're 31?
Yeah, 31.
31. Nagtaka siya, 31. Mukhang bata.
You look so young.
Hindi naman din talaga.
saying
Kahit
that,
naman talaga
okay,
sino,
okay.
hindi maniniwala dyan. 31.
Not really, you know.
You really look young.
Ito kaya si ate, mga ilang taon na
Are you
kaya?
sure you're 31?
Yeah, I'm 31. Why? Why are you look so shocked?
I don't believe you. I
Sa
don't
bagay,
think you're
kasi
31.
yung mga
You have to
Pilipino
believe
naman
me.
talaga kasi tayo.
You know. How old are you?
Bata
I mean,
tayong tingnan sa edad natin.
The age
kumpara
gap is
sa
so
kanila.
high. You know what I'm saying?
Ito kayo si ate, mga ilang taon na kaya?
Kaya-
Sana single pa to.
Yeah. Too old.
Malay mo,
It's okay. We can
pwede.
be friends. It's okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we can be friends.
Yeah. We can be friends, but I like to just.
Okay, now you have to play that song.
No.
No. You have to play. You have to play it. You have to play it. Go on.
Nag-i-enjoy naman si ate
Okay,
sa
let me
company
play
niya.
the song.
Yeah, ito. Sabagay, sino naman talagang para ka na rin naka-free concert.
Like no cap. I'm just.
Hindi
telling
niya alam na ito si Idol, celebrity dyan sa Pilipinas. Tingnan yung itsura ni ate.
you. You look so
Manghang-mangha.
beautiful in that dress.
Taga saan kaya to si ate? Hindi niya tinatanong kung yung pangalan niya lang. Sana tinanong niya man lang kung ano. Taga saan ka na? Usually ganun di ba? Pag yung mga tayo, yung may mga ganyan. Yung pangalan mo, ganun. Ilang taong ka na, taga saan ka, para magkaroon tayo ng idea. Hindi tinatanong ni Idol, bakit kaya? Hindi natin alam.
I love you here like that. We are surrounded by all of this
Ganda ng
light.
boses
People that talk too much. I'm so in love.
Tingnan niyo na ang mukha ni ate
I'm so in love.
Sa mga gusto nga pala mag-follow dyan sa kanya,
I'm so in
Jong
love.
Madaliday, search nyo lang mga idol. Sana sumikat din to, tulad ng ibang local artist
Okay.
din sa atin.
So we good now?
Kasi may ibubuga naman talaga itong bata. Oh, yeah,
Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that.
Okay, hear me out. What if? Okay, I'm gonna say something crazy.
Alright.
What if we play one more song and that's it?
Alright. I got you beneath your
Oh, kaboses din niya, ni Bruno Mars. Diba?
I'd do anything for you. Oh, I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. You won't do the same. But you won't do the same.
Matatapos na yung video. Teka lang, idol. Kunin mo muna yung niyan, yung Instagram niyan, o kaya TikTok. May natin to si idol. Kasi dito guys, yung Omi TV na to, yung parang random people na papasok na lang sa screen mo. So, bali kung hindi niya alam yung Instagram niya, o kaya TikTok or Facebook, wala silang walang, parang maliit na yung chance na magkita ulit kayo. Di ba sayang? Malay mo, Tuloy na nga natin.
Say.
Dami kong sinasabi.
You're so good. Oh my god.
Thank you.
I love your voice so much. I really do. I could listen to it.
Konting patalastas nga pala. Guys, kung umabot naman kayo sa bahaging ito ng aking video, baka pwede namang pa-click naman dyan yung subscribe button sa baba. Tsaka yung notification bell para updated naman kayo sa susunod nating video katulad nito. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, no, i-click na lang yung subscribe button dyan. Ay, konting patalastas lang. Sige, tuloy natin.
All day. It's something I just want to like, you know, I want it to just play in my head permanently. I want to live in your vocal cords. Fuck yeah. You owe me 5 songs.
5?
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember that. I don't remember you though.
Teka, parang iba na
You
yata.
owe me 5 songs. I remember.
Are you sure about it?
Mm-hmm.
That's 4. It's 4 songs. You gotta be
5.
kidding. It's.
I remember it's 5.
I remember. I owe you
5. It
4.
was 5.
5 songs.
5. Yes.
That's a free concert.
So, ayun na nga guys. Bali, ibang ano na yata to eh. Ibang video na to, no? So, bali, natapos na yung isa. But, hindi natin nalaman yung katapusan ng kwento. Pero nagkita ulit sila. Teka nga, hanapin mo. So, bali, ayun na lang guys. Hanggang dito na lang tong video na to, no? Medyo bitin. Medyo bitin. Hindi ko alam kung anong naging ending nung pag-uusap nila. Pero ano na to, tingnan mo. Iba na yung ano niya.
Okay.
I'm
you're
something.
Ito yung,
You're lagging. Come on now.
iba na yung damit niya.
You're
Part
lagging.
2 na yata ako.
You're lagging, not me.
Am I?
Nagkita ulit sila.
You are.
Apa maganda kung gano'n.
Homie TV, come
Yeah.
on. Don't ruin this.
You better.
So, ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. At maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung umabot ka sa video na to,
Can you
pa-click
just
naman yung
please
subscribe
cover that?
button dyan sa baba.
I want you
at
to
yung
cover that
notification
thing.
bell
Close it.
para updated ka sa mga
Okay.
susunod na video
Okay.
natin. Ayun na lang guys,
Good
maraming
job.
salamat sa inyo at God bless.